Is snoring disrupting your sleep or keeping your loved ones awake? Here are some simple tips to sleep quietly. Restless nights plague many people. When you or your loved one snores, it can make sleep even more difficult. Snoring is not just disturbing for others, it can also be dangerous. Snoring is a nuisance to a good night's sleep. However, there are many helpful hints that can help minimize the impact of snoring in your life. In the 4 or 5 hours before you go to bed for the night, you should avoid consuming alcoholic beverages. Alcohol has a depressant effect on your body, which causes your muscles to become more relaxed. This relaxation affects your airways, which makes it difficult to breathe. Ultimately, this leads to snoring. If you would like to stop your snoring, have a look at the pillow configuration that you have on your bed. The higher your head, the less likely you are to snore. Ergo, it is best to either invest in a thicker pillow, or to consider sleeping on multiple pillows to give you the head leverage you need. To help stop snoring problems, try to avoid taking sleeping pills or other types of tranquilizing medication to help you rest. These sleep aids may help you feel more restful, but they also contribute to both snoring and sleep apnea. Some tranquilizers are even addictive and can cause health problems if overused. If you are a snorer, there's a chance that you are unaware of it. Always take into account your partner, as they probably have to deal with it throughout the night, so don't get angry if they complain about your snoring. This is always a good time to talk to each other and try to figure out a solution. Snoring does not need to control your sleep. Although it can be embarrassing, it is a natural and somewhat unpleasant part of life. If you or your loved one's snoring is too much to handle, then please seek medical help. Snoring can lead to other health problems. Remember, a good night's sleep can happen. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise permanently eliminates snoring as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.